The solar integration SmartBird feeder ES-50W is equipped with a PIR motion sensor with high sensitivity, within 10 meters of the PIR sensing distance. It captures 1080 pixels FHD videos and 8 megapixel clear images once movement is detected. Camera is equipped with solar panels for worry-free charging. Waterproof design equipped with several different